If you want to send requested coins, click Send Coins button in the email sent to you. Then sign into your Elegro wallet. For this, enter an email and a password in a sign-in form and verify your account using the verification method you've activated. Choose Coin Requests tab in the left menu of your Elegro wallet dashboard, then go to Incoming tab. There, find the request sent to you and click Send Coins button against the wallet's address. In the form appeared, select the wallet from where you are going to send coins. The address field, designating a receiving wallet, is automatically filled in. Then specify the amount of coins you want to send and enter your note. Click Send button. After a successful transaction creation, a message about it will appear. To learn the transaction details, go to Transactions tab, choose Outgoing tab, find the transaction you've generated and click on View Details button.